Building a network is only the first step. To ensure it can handle increasing workloads and maintain high availability under any condition, rigorous testing is essential. Today, we're looking at how to test the scalability and reliability of your network system.
Scalability testing ensures your network grows as your needs do. There are 6 key methods to use. Load testing. Use tools like JMeter or Locust.io to evaluate performance under heavy traffic. Stress testing. Push the network beyond its capacity to identify breaking points and latency failures. Scalability testing. Test horizontal scalability by adding more instances, and vertical scalability by upgrading existing ones. Benchmarking. Compare your results against industry standards or competitors. Realistic scenarios. Simulate peak traffic times and future growth projections. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor the network in production to catch scaling issues early. Reliability is about staying online when things go wrong. We test this through availability testing. Simulate hardware failures or server crashes and measure recovery time. Redundancy testing. Verify that failovers and backup systems work seamlessly when a component fails. Disaster recovery testing. Ensure data can be restored after a catastrophic failure or breach. Fault tolerance testing. Intentionally inject errors to see if the network keeps functioning. Security testing. Use penetration testing to identify weaknesses that could impact reliability. Load balancing testing. Ensure traffic is evenly distributed to prevent any single resource from overloading. Testing isn't a one-time event. Implement continuous monitoring to detect anomalies in real time for preemptive maintenance. Finally, always maintain thorough documentation and reporting to keep stakeholders informed and plan for future improvements. A tested network is a dependable network. If you found these testing strategies helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into network engineering.